Hello YouTube, Steve here. In this video, I'm gonna show how I made this compact class AB mono channel audio amplifier using TDA7294 IC. It can deliver up to 100 watts of power. Let's build it. I used Easy EDA to create the PCB board, and then I used All PCB service to manufacture my PCB board. Currently, All PCB is offering first 5 pieces of PCB for free for new customer. After 7 days, I received this small little box from All PCB, and you can see the PCB quality, it's just mind blowing. I will leave all the part list with purchasing link and Gerber file in the description below. You can check that out. You can just go to lcsc.com and order a component without any problem. A little talk about lcsc.com. They are the largest electronic part supplier. Ready for shipping, takes only 4 hours, and they ship worldwide. I used two 24-volt SMPs in series to create dual power supply. That's all for today's guys. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe and stay tuned for next video.